What if I told you that during the Ice Age, humans and dinosaurs lived at the same time? You'd probably laugh at me, but it's true. The last Ice Age lasted from roughly 115,000 to 13,000 years ago. That means that our ancestors lived alongside dinosaurs for thousands of years. And since we know that humans and dinosaurs didn't coexist, that means one of us had to go extinct for the other to survive. But which one was it? Humans, of course. Now you're probably wondering, how can you be so sure? Well, because there's no evidence that humans and dinosaurs ever coexisted. In fact, the oldest human fossils we've ever found are only about 300,000 years old, which is way younger than the age of the dinosaurs. So that means one of two things. Either humans evolved before the dinosaurs, or they evolved after the dinosaurs went extinct. Since we definitely didn't evolve before them, that means we must have evolved after they went extinct. But what caused their extinction? Well, according to a new theory, it wasn't an asteroid at all. Instead, it was a supervolcano. You see, there's this one volcano in Indonesia called Toba, and about 74,000 years ago, it erupted. And it wasn't just any ordinary volcano eruption. It was the largest volcanic eruption in the last 2.5 million years. The eruption threw so much ash and gas into the atmosphere that it blocked out the sun. And for years, scientists thought that this was the event that caused the extinction. But there was one big problem with this theory. See, when the volcano erupted, humans and dinosaurs were already extinct. So something else must have caused their extinction. Well, according to a new study, that something else was a comet. See, before the asteroid, there was a comet that passed Earth's orbit and broke into pieces. And one of those pieces hit Indonesia around the same time that the volcano erupted. And that would explain why there's no evidence of humans and dinosaurs from that time period. They were both wiped out by the comet. Now, this might sound like a crazy theory, but there's actually evidence to support it. For example, we know that after the asteroid, there was a mass extinction. But before the asteroid, there was also a mass extinction. So that means another catastrophic event must have caused it. Plus, we've found tektite deposits from that time period all over the world. And tektites are only formed when a meteor or comet hits the Earth. So there's a good chance that this theory is true. And if it is, then humans and dinosaurs almost certainly died at the same time. But don't worry, because according to this theory, we didn't evolve until after the asteroid. So we were safe.